As we have done land degradation, its causes, now we come to the conservation measures of the land degradation. In this, first is afforestation. As you all know, afforestation is planting more and more trees. It will lead to reduction in the soil erosion as well as solving the other environmental problems like global warming, ozone layer depletion, and it will increase the fertility of the soil also. Next comes shelter belts. Shelter belts is basically planting the trees around the field is called as shelter belts. Okay, around your field where the cultivation is done, so that it can reduce the speed of the wind as well as it will reduce the speed of the rainfall also. Next is stabilization of the sand dunes in the desert areas. Sand dunes are found in the desert area, that is the Thar desert of the India. This is, if we grow the cactus plant, it will control the speed of the wind and it will reduce the wind erosion that took place in the desert areas. Next is control on mining. We should have control on the mining, that is the illegal mining done by the people. It should be stopped. The mining should be done only under the supervision of the government only. In this, what is done, suppose this is the mine and it is becoming hollow from inside as we are continuously taking out the mineral from the mine. So what happened, the upper part of the land, it becomes weak and the roof collapses. People, those who are working under the mine, they are also killed at that time, as well as the land becomes infertile due to of the debris that falls from here to the land. Next comes proper discharge of the industrial effluents. Whatever the industrial waste is coming out of the industry, it should be discharged properly. First, it should be recycled. If it's hot water, water should be cooled down and then thrown into the rivers. Because when they are thrown into the rivers, as it is only, then it will harm the marine life that is present in the ocean or the rivers. Okay, water life. Okay, so it will harm them. So proper discharge of the industrial effluent should be done. It should be recycled as well as it should be, the water should be cooled down, then it is discharged.